On my way to Olongapo, about 5 hours from Baguio. Early breakfast to start the day. It's been 22 years since I've been here. A lot has changed since then. But the reason I'm here is because I would like to check on the house I invested on when I was in Thailand. This house was turned over to me in 2021, but I haven't had the time to visit it. It's my first time seeing it today. The environment looks very peaceful and nice. There are already a lot of occupants in the neighborhood. Most of the owners are now living in their homes.
Marisma. Yung mga pangalan. Marisma. Parang mga marites eh.
This is at the back of my unit. There's still a lot of space. So this is the living room and kitchen. But you can utilize the space at the back to extend your house. Let's check the bedrooms upstairs. It needs some cleaning as it has been left empty for 2 years. So we're going to the market to buy some brooms. The market is just 5 minutes away. Now we're back and let's open the windows.
So this is the window facing the front road.
And let's do some cleaning. To see how Olongapo looks like right now. Really different from before with the presence of SM Mall. These yellow jeeps bring back memories. There are still a lot of the old buildings, as it used to. Even the entrance to Spuma looks so different now. It was nice revisiting Olongapo and had me jogging down memory lane. Bye for now.